I was nervous, obviously. It was a big job that they were doing. The bridge was loose, I was not eating properly, and it was embarrassing to go out. Couldn't go out to eat.
When Annette came to see us initially, her concerns were very typical of most patients that come to see us for a consultation for an all-on-4 procedure. She had had lots of old dentistry done over the years, crowns and bridges, and it was all beginning to fail.
The consultation was very in-depth, which I liked, and they made it very easy for me to understand. Not being a dentist, I needed help.
So while the procedures that we perform here are very technically complicated, we like to break things down in terms for patients that are very easy to understand. Our team of professionals is well versed in guiding patients through the process and helping them to break things out into terms that are really easy to comprehend.
The staff are just, they're just incredible. Every single one that I've met, it's probably 4 or 5 of them, they're just wonderful. They make you feel relaxed. Nothing is too much trouble for them. And you just come in and feel very, very confident. That's how I felt anyway.
All of our staff are hired based on their abilities to relate to patients, to really give them a level of comfort and ease and understanding so that the typical anxieties and fears based around these procedures, we can make those just melt away.
I was just happy and confident to know that they knew what they were doing, and it made me feel a lot better about coming back to have the treatment.